New day, new me, new day, new me. Sorry, I don't know about you lot, but I am loving this sun. Oh crap, there's a car behind me. Why is there a car behind me? Why is there a car behind me? Do you know what? I didn't mean to park here. The woman's looking at me like, bitch, move your car. And I'm just a bit like, no. Okay, so we have arrived to paint and sip. Also, I'm with my cousin. Are you gonna be in my video? Because I know so much. This is my cousin. Hello. You met my cousin in my last vlog. I can't remember what vlog it was. Yeah, so we are going to paint and zip because actually you saw our Valentine's Day vlog.
Galentine's.
Yeah, Galentine's, and we was artists. We were painting so well, so we're gonna paint for you guys again.
People vote for me.
To be fair, nobody even commented. None of you commented. Why? Just so you know, cousin, I always wear my chain that you got me.
Oh, so cute, so cute.
By the way, if you didn't know, my cousin got me this chain that says my name. So I need everyone's help. Actually, not that you're gonna see this in time, but right, no glasses. Okay, and then with glasses.
This is cute. Wait, let me see.
Sorry, this whole time I had my glasses on.
Because you showed me with the glasses, but without the glasses, you just looked in your phone.
Oh yeah,
so
that's true.
You need to turn it around.
Okay.
Cute.
Okay, wait.
Always.
Cute and okay. Cute. Wait. Okay. Glasses. No glasses.
Yeah, let's do no glasses because we're trying to see your face.
Okay.
Yeah.
No glasses. It is, guys.
Yeah.
No glasses. It is. Okay. Oh, guys, look. I think this is paint. This is the paint. We've got our aprons as well. I don't know if you can hear me, but these are our aprons. How cute. I'm excited. Comes to sweat one. Should she do a middle part in? Or a side one? I like the side part in. I do like. I'm a side parting person, so.
I'm gonna go with something.
Okay, guys, so this is a fit check. Yeah. Top, jeans, shorts. By the way, yeah, these are my favorite trainers. I have way more trainers than this, but I just always like wearing these trainers. Like, I don't like one of the people that don't have trainers. But you know them the trainers that like you love wearing. Oh, show us the apron. Lovely, modeling the apron. Oh, wow. It looks like it could be a little dress. We're ready to party. Do you know, yeah? What are we playing is the question. I don't like Prosecco, guys. Prosecco is not my drink. It's not my thing. Okay, guys, so far this is our paintings. Sorry, mine is cute. It's a mischievous kid. I got effort in it. 5 years old. This is my painting, guys. Vegan patty! She got vegan patty. Go cards. what? Okay guys, so we have left and we are going home. And then
On to the next destination.
on to the next destination. The thing is, yeah, you're not even... The chances of her coming to the next destination is very low.
Watch when you see me.
It's going to be like 2 out of 10.
Watch when you see me.
Yeah, it's me. We're taking pictures, guys, behind the scenes. Don't mind us, we're just in the lift taking a video.
I think that was so funny. Oh, why does it keep stopping here?
Because we wanted to stop her. So basically we keep pressing buttons on here so that we could stay in the lift. Oh yeah, that's actually true. Everyone say, hey vlog! Hey vlog! 3, 2, 1, go! Wait.
Oh, wait.
Na 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 na. Wait. Na 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 na. Wait. Ready? Okay, go. Wait.
Wait.
No, wait. How? This is my little brother.
I am the one that wants to.
This is my little brother.
My little brother, she's dumb.
This is my little brother.
Stupid.
Cranium.
Stupid.
Cranium.
That's not even my name.
Cranium.
How can she call my little brother? She don't even know man's name. That's silly. That's what I'm saying.
Basically, we've come to Dope Sessions event.
Whatever she's telling you, it doesn't make sense. There's no little bro in nothing.
Yes, my little brother, my little ganjura. Let me tell you something. My accent is very good. Don't try it. My Jamaican accent's good. Just so you know, she's Jamaican as well.
What does that mean?
And Amani is also Mauritian and Jamaican.
I heard that one. That's what I'm saying. I'm a pure blood.
Have you done 23 and me?
Cuz, no disrespect to you.
done a 23
Wait, cuz, no disrespect to you. We're on this group right here, yeah? Yeah, you're on this one right here. Yeah?
Okay, say 3 o'clock.
This little redskin.
Say 3 o'clock.
This little redskin piece, yeah? Hey,
I'm a browning.
she's a brown. She's a brown. Hey, but let's be real. In the yard, yeah, that's slightly we'll call that red, innit?
Oh yeah, redskin.
This is brown.
Redskin. Yeah.
This is
He's
brown.
trying to prove that he's
this is
Jamaican. He's trying to
chocolate.
prove he's Jamaican,
This is
but
chocolate. Hey, this is melon.
he's trying to prove that he's Jamaican.
Wait.
I'm Jamaican.
Wait. This is pigmentation.
What a nice day to just come and get myself. Hi guys. I've got a little cheeseburger. What do I get in mine? Let me tell you what I get in mine. So in my little cheeseburger I get lettuce, ketchup, mayo, pickle, grilled onions and relish. Call me boring, but hey. That's salt on those chips. A little. Not a little. I'm not gonna lie. I love salt. I love salty fries. And then I like to get my chips. Zip it in here. Zip it in here. And now we got a little whammy going on here.
That's too high, isn't it?
Guys, we are filming. It's late at night. Why am I nervous? I always get nervous when it comes to like performing. Oh look, there's light in here. This is how I look. So this is my outfit. You can't really see it, so it's hard, but I don't know if I should have my hair out or down. I don't know. But yeah, we're hair filming. See? I got my cousin filming behind the scenes for me.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna have problem with them.
Guys, and you can't see this properly, but I'm with my cousin. Again. We've basically spent like the weekend together, basically.
And I think looking at the camera as well, so I'm like pointing at the camera and then back to the mic, and then it's like a bit of both.
Right, guys, if you've ever seen my cousin do the Dougie, it's the funniest thing ever. Please do the Dougie. Teach me how the Dougie. Teach me how the Dougie. It's the funniest thing. The Dougie is so funny. Guys, we have come to Chinatown because we want food. We need food. By the way, my cousin's a vegan. So she just eats grass. My cousin is looking at the vegan menu. Vegan, look, sweet and sour vegan chicken. We have come to Shake Shack, Shake Shack, Shake Shack, Shake Shack, Shake Shack. I don't know. So guys, we come to Shake Shack. We went to Chinatown and we went to a spot there, but oh my gosh, the food was the spring rolls. Then we checked the hygiene rate. Usually I check the hygiene rate before we go anywhere. And the hygiene rate was a 3. A 3. A 3 is standard. It's not too good, to be honest. But we've come to Shake Shack. Yeah. We are now waiting for our food. Waiting for our food. I got the chicken burger with crinkled fries with cheese sauce, was it? So I got the chicken burger. Actually, I will show you when it comes what I got, you know. Okay guys, so I just got the normal crinkled fries. I got chicken burger. I got cheese sauce on the side, and I got the shack sauce on the side. Me and cousin got cups. So I see she got the shallot burger because she's a vegan, and then chips. Woo! Where are we going today? Going to grandma's house. Why are we going to grandma's house? Because grandma made me some food. By the way, my grandma throws it down for fried rice. Like, fried rice? She's the lady. She makes a really good fried rice. So I'm going to grandma's for some fried rice. I don't know what else she's got there, but yeah. So that is me. I feel like I've started my day really late. It's like 2 in the afternoon, or nearly 2. There's never parking on her road. It's the worst. Grandma, there's no parking on your road, and I'm not going on her drive. Do you know why? I refuse, because she's like got gates and stuff, and it's just like, oh, gotta open up the gate. It's all long. Hello, Grandma. Hello. Hi, madam. Yeah. Ooh. Wow.
Nice, try one.
I think I've had the other ones, but sorry, this is a lot of snacks, young lady. You said you little miss on a diet. What's going on here?
Sometimes I fancy those things, innit?
Oh, this is not very much a diet, Grandma, is it?
I know.
Cheeky, cheeky.
Sometimes I really
So how was your line dancing today? Aerobics or line dancing? Okay, so today was aerobics class. Oh. Grandma goes to aerobics. 86 going to aerobics and line dancing classes. Oi, one bad girl. What's that?
That's a name brand, isn't it?
Wait, what's that say? Jasper Conran.
Yeah.
This is a designer, Grandma.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's designer.
Yes.
What designer is that?
Man like this.
No, wait.
But it's a bit too small for me.
Oh, for Mum. What designer is this, Grandma? I don't know. Oh, thank you, madam. Oh, the best fried rice you'll ever have. Oh, is that coleslaw?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want that?
Yeah, I'll take a bit of coleslaw, Grandma. Did you make this yourself?
Yeah, might need a bit more
Mayo.
you want more mayo? I don't.
No, that's enough, Grandma. Thank you. It's about to go down. This is the plate of somebody that enjoyed their food. Grandma, my food was amazing. I finished my food. It was amazing. My food was amazing.
Yeah, and the fried rice didn't come out so good at all.
I really liked my fried rice. Grandma's food was a 10 out of 10. So, bon appetit, chef's kiss. Grandma throws it down in the kitchen when it comes to her fried rice. So, and I feel like that was my first time having my grandma's coleslaw as well. But maybe I've had it in the past before. But again, chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. Throwing it down. I feel like grandmas just know how to please the tummy. They just know, you know?